am here vibing with one of the conscious warriors in the entertainment industry. His parents named him Paul Gayle, but we know him as
Little Hero, man.
Father Hero. How things, sir?
God alone, God alone.
God alone.
Man. I bless you.
It's a pleasure, yes,
Yes,
sir.
man.
Teach them! Always make sure the message I reach them!
Well, we give thanks, you know, because from you have life, you know. You have everything, you know.
That makes sense.
From the start, you know, just life, baby, have.
True.
And you come inherit all what you're supposed to inherit, and, you know.
Yes, sir.
Give thanks to the most like that.
So talk to now, early life, place of birth.
Well, it's a little district named Farmtown.
Yeah.
Parish is Senton. You don't know Jamaican. So we say, yeah, man. We start out as Farmtown as a little tagline of the things. Just starting, going to some little place and DJ and things.
Yeah.
But and the sound system we start with is mellow mood and next sound name creation. That is like the era sound name.
Yeah.
Then there comes the bad sound from the hills called Bass of the City. Yeah. And we start to sing from Bass of the City from the career just started.
Right.
Then we go to Roof.
Yeah.
Nightclub in Watch Royal.
Yeah. Roof.
One by
That's around James Avenue.
Yeah. And that's when we start to do my thing and we used to power like youth named Delhi Melody.
Yeah.
He's a big man right now still.
Still alive?
Yeah, man.
Nice.
In London. I live in London right now. And then I started to power with a youth named Diplomat too.
Yeah.
Yeah. But the thing is now we start to go Roof Nightclub and Courtney Cole. Rule at Roof Nightclub was the artist can perform properly, sound good,
Yeah.
and you know, record the next day.
Yeah.
If you bust this stage show tonight, you know tomorrow you're going to the studio to record.
Cool.
So we start to practice before we reach Roof Nightclub. There was a gate man named Ika Joe. He was also the engineer in the studio too.
Yeah.
The man they serious on the thing and I tell us say when we start with thing, man. The normal thing when we go up there and for the first night I'm gonna perform, put the record with the next day.
You remember which year that?
No,
No, you don't remember that. Alright, we soon come back to that, see, but we could go back to the early life, right?
Yeah.
So, Farmtown, St. Anne. Where did you attend school?
Waltham Abbey all age.
Waltham, all age.
Yeah,
So that
man.
was all it was in relation to schooling?
Yeah, man.
How many siblings?
Enough to
Oh,
do,
no.
man. We're not going to say plenty.
You're not going to say plenty.
Good amount, you know?
Yeah, good amount.
Yeah.
And everybody are...
Every king have good amount.
True.
Yeah.
Mommy and daddy still around?
Well, my father passed away.
My
few years
condolences,
ago.
sir.
Yeah, man.
Mommy around?
May soul rest in peace.
Yeah.
I'm an icon.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, but mommy's still strong, man. I go
Yeah.
on, man. Strong.
Nice.
Just do a song for mommy too.
You just do a song for mommy? It's out yet?
Yeah, man. Me love me mama, always be around. Mama, me love you, mama. I will never let you down. No, no. Me love me mama, she always be around. Mama, me love you, mama. I will never let you down. Hey. Two for me daddy, he a king, but for me mommy a queen. Every day she get up on the sewing machine. I fi do some cooking, I fi do some washing. And I will for stress and pain. I will for father breed them and my and see them again. As them your breed them take the first aeroplane. Can't take the pressure, say them not take the blame. Tears falls on mama, I like rain. Love you, mama.
Mad.
Never let you down.
Mad.
Yeah.
All age school. After you left all age school,
Yeah,
what
man,
then?
even in all age school, you know, say, from me I go school, where I do we thing, you know, cause
Yeah.
me used to be the singer like who I am right now. And there was a friend of, he's in California right now, his name is Mark Foley.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, we used to use him mouth and play the bass. But when we go to school and we start DJ back,
Yeah.
run at the back there, you know, we draw all the attention, you know, teacher be too much time. Yeah, man, enough time we have to go along the principal and say, yo, head office, you know, because you mash up the classroom with this bangarang and, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. But, yeah, man, what time of this early school, I enjoy the whole schooling, you know?
So from early out, you realize you have a love for the music.
Definitely,
You have
man.
a passion for the music.
Yeah, man. Because the whole setup with my life in the music thing is like, my mother sing in the church choir, you know?
Oh, so mommy was a singer?
Yeah, and my father, know. Any instrument. I used to see that man just come in at evening time, One time he carrying a piano. Next time you see him come with a the organ.
Yeah.
He's come with a violin. Him come with drum and everything. The man can do something to work on the ship, you know.
Yeah.
So him play music for the
Oh,
people.
okay,
man,
cool,
thing.
cool, cool.
Yeah, man. So then at a stage now, when him start to do, if they warm now and leave the ship work,
Mm-hmm.
he's a man with cassette. Miles have a cassette 9 tape. And it's always a play.
Yeah.
Put me to bed, wake me up. My room was right as in workshop because
Yeah.
the woodwork, you know.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man. So I'm an icon that man.
Yeah, man.
Music put me to bed, music wake me up.
Yeah.
There's like me is music and music is me.
So music was around you from you was young.
Yes, man.
So mommy was an influence, daddy was an influence.
Definitely.
Cool. And
man.
through school, yeah, your friends them practice and put the thing
Do the
together.
thing together.
When though, before, cause you mentioned you went to Roof nightclub and thing, but when did you start to realize that the music something here, not only that you have the talent, but that's something you want to pursue?
Well, you know, when me acknowledge that, when me leave school, you know,
Mm-hmm.
because we used to do a work, we used to do technician work.
Yeah.
You know, fix all TV, pole and everything.
Electrical technician.
Yeah, man. and
Cool.
then- But during all of those things, me I do me just a DJ. Every time we do work, me a DJ and everything, and man, I say, yo, I say you're bad, man. You know, upon the man, upon the what work with we and thing, always I say, yo, learning the trade, that me I do right too.
Yeah.
Until me come, me leave and me did a Lindsay for a while. That's where me get my name in a Lindsay St. Catherine.
Mm-hmm.
Me do a talent show up there and Bagger Brown give me the name, Little Hero.
Little Hero.
Yeah,
Why
man.
him give you that name though?
I will ever deal with the show, man.
Oh, mash it up. Oh, so it was a Little Hero.
Yeah,
Cool.
man. So when I come back down now, my barber shop, because
Mhm.
them time there, I just love music. But I don't like we have make money out of
Yeah,
it. so still have to
true.
do some
Still have to
other things.
hustle.
Yeah.
Mm.
And at the barber shop now, the whole of my friend them come back around me, classmate, the man who we didn't know from long time, and say, Hero, no man, you for the street, man, you have to reach out, man. And I saw now we start to say, yo, from early part, I started to hide all out of my mother's house. Yeah, man, and go have some little dance, and
Yeah.
I come back in, door lock.
Mm.
We cannot set the latch away, which part, we know, say, yo, when we come, we can just push it down. When we come back and come, so you do a lock. Beating at the man and everything.
Yeah.
Because my mother used to call dancehall and reggae jammer, you know, jammer music.
Jammer music.
Yo, me no Paul, me know why you sing them jammer there in my yard, you know.
Yeah.
And all these things, and I say, yeah.
So initially, mommy wasn't very supportive of the music
No.
as a choice for
That
career.
type of music.
Yeah.
Maybe when I sing
Okay.
gospel from early, then maybe she, you know.
Yeah, I understand.
That Christian home, say,
I understand.
Yeah, man.
Mm. So despite all of that, you grew up in a grounded home. Discipline
man.
was there.
What?
Because mommy and daddy was there.
That's why I love my parents so much.
Yeah,
'cause
man, that's nice,
they
man.
teach me the right way.
Yeah.
To take on the road. You know, I'm not sure you say right now. I just love that little place, that little district called, it was Farm Town, but where I live was Hallinal, that's a little street from out of Farm
Okay,
Town.
cool.
It's like, I don't even hear a bad word cuss around that district. Yeah, man, growing up.
You grew up in a,
You know,
in
it's
a
like-
close-knit.
Yeah, the
Positive
that
environment.
House, all the house around our house, everybody go church and I just church brothers and church sisters.
Yeah.
So we just grew up as a family, like, you know.
Mhm,
When the man them not have enough food to cook, my mother would have give them some. When my mother don't have enough food, they
Them
would
their
have
mother
just
son.
love.
Makes sense,
Yeah,
makes
man.
sense. Community spirit and unity.
Yeah, the community we grew up in.
So you said now you started, speaking out to go stage shows and you started going Roof nightclub,
Yeah.
right? And you started building a name for yourself on that circuit
Yeah,
until
man.
you link up with Bass Odyssey.
Yeah.
How did that work out though?
The thing is now, when we go to Roof nightclub and we do the first recording we do, after we do the show and put them past me and say, all right, you know, you are the,
You're
we are
ready for your
record
road.
you. Yeah, we are
Yeah.
record you because you're good. And after me record, me and I youth name Deli Melody. First song was Pretty Looks.
Remember how it go?
Yeah, man. That's it. Band the leg now, old man again. Pretty Looks now, old man again. Me not go tell you one will the man them know what. That's why me not call no name and study. But what else you can call the man them.
Mad.
Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Instrument.
So that was the first recording.
First recording.
How well did that do though?
It was on a rhythm where Garnet Silk was Antonio singing a song say, I can see clearly now the rain is gone.
Yeah.
Yeah, and remember Courtney take her one night to Kingston and play on Stone Love and the crowd was like, yo,
Yeah.
they love the music and from there so that was the first thing to play on IRFM and everything.
You remember when this jockey played it for the first time?
I think I was Big A, you know.
Big A.
And Mighty Mike.
Mighty, okay,
Yeah,
cool,
yeah,
cool.
yeah.
Yeah.
And then from there so now I do a next song now called God Alone.
God alone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when I do God Alone, yeah, that's me alone sing God Alone. So
Yeah.
it become a song where Mama Ellis played all the while playing
Yes.
her program. But
But-
it was like, and she alone playing in Jamaican.
And she alone
No
play
disc
it.
jockey
Nobody
alone
else now play it.
But it's a song what very hooking, you know?
Yeah.
So you when the song bust now. When bass at this you know come, I do it for a special.
Oh, you do you cut a dub for them.
Yeah, Squingy take it up.
Yeah.
Yeah, Squingy so
Rest in peace.
and
Yeah, man.
General
Legend.
that.
Legend.
And when Squingy take it up, Squingy say hero, give me it from the Far East.
Yeah.
Which the key that me sing the song pan was a low key.
Yeah.
But when I sing it from the Far East now, you have to pitch high.
Yeah.
That's when me even acknowledge them, I can sing high.
Yeah.
So when him do it pan, when we do it pan the Far East, Squingy come back like 2 days after that and say hero. And your song are the biggest forward from bass at the tip on the beach and something like that, you know. When you come to one Sunday and see what
Come perform it.
man, when we go out there, man, it's like a shabba ranking, man. Yeah, man, the thing up. So hold on, we
Okay,
tell you what
alright.
first. So after we do that now and
Yeah.
start playing, it's going good now. We go Kingston,
Yeah.
link up with Merciless and Action.
Leonard.
Great old Leonard.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, what happened so now, we there in the studio, I was record factory here. And there was a Japanese woman come and said she want God Alone song from me.
Yeah.
Yeah, but Action was there and I all the way apart, you know.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So right away now, Merciless did have some nice song them time, but not him never big.
Yeah,
not big
yeah,
yet,
yeah,
but
yeah.
Some good song. And me I tell you say, when we say me I do the song, the lady was like, I wouldn't mind you put Merciless and the rhythm.
Yeah.
And I say right away, I throw away apart. So we
Yeah.
throw away do it.
Yeah.
And we start with God Alone, Merciless come in and Action for you come in. But one of Stone Love Selector was there, I don't remember which one of them.
Mm-hmm.
And when them here we sing the song and it bust the studio, the man said to me, say, yo, I want that to Stone Love right now.
Yeah.
And we do it to Stone Love and Stone Love go to out of the place, girl, right? Something under the head. Near before you reach Spanish Town coming from Lindsay.
Mm.
Them call out there.
Damn. Yeah.
Yeah, man, out of Damage. And when Stone Love played, Stone Love called Gaddafi, because Gaddafi was the producer at the time. I produced the song.
Okay.
Him called Gaddafi and him said, Gaddafi, that song with Little Hero Mercy's Action Fair is one of the biggest songs. You need to record it. Right away, them carry me go mixing lab.
Yeah.
And when them bring me in a mixing lab now, them just say, Hero, sing this song. Fly and Robbie will
Yeah,
do the rhythm.
create
you
the
know?
rhythm.
When we done with the song, man, I next #1, man.
So a Sly Rabbit Bill, the instrumental for the song.
Yeah, man.
Mad thing.
With the combination one.
Yeah?
Now. Yeah, man. And that is the biggest pick up till today.
But hero, you know funny because I listen to the story,
Yeah.
seeing and that song that did its time in the streets before it really and truly bust out there.
That me I say?
Interesting, and you said
Yeah,
that
man.
song that remain your biggest song till today.
No. One time I go on a stage show and I go and sing that song there.
Yeah.
After I done sing, yeah, the man, yo, who are you gonna sing it already, man?
Yeah, the one.
They want to hear it again, man.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
And the thing about that song there, the message back then. But before that, what
Yeah.
motivated you to sing that song there, though?
Well, you know, say, during my whole time going to the studio in Ocho
Mm-hmm.
you know, because Farmtown is a good distance from Ocho.
Yes.
You have to take like 3 different vehicles.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, and when we're doing that without no money, every day we used to go to studio.
Yeah.
Sometimes I have to beg my friend them, say, yo, hook me up now. Me have driver, we just, all right, you will look like artist, come and drop with, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so all of them time we just have that argument in my head more time. When a man say, hero, I go, and I say, yo, God alone, you know, just God alone, we say, and I go through, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, and just say, you know, so we can use that and make a hit.
I make a song.
And right away. Because up to my label right now, name God
God
alone.
alone. Or say you have a label.
Yeah, man.
We'll soon get to that. Give people them piece of a song where you
Yeah,
remember
man.
hold on for the
So me just say, just show me no love, what I want. We a tell the wicked man them to come. Big Mac 11 at home. As you say, hey, them blow your life like a song. The whole world I sing. I got alone, that in our heart. God alone, then can tear it apart. God alone, we are no wicked man now go out. God alone, then we tell them that. Two Big Mac 11 and them waste it cock off. As you say, hey, them don't afraid to pop it off. Find it now your mole and the whole life so tough. Sooner or later, them find it in banana mark. Police are investigate and not stop tough. Friend a kill friend and then turn around and love. You know, I agree with them. Them say that yourself. Man and murder man and talk about them now no heart. We no love what I want.
Yeah.
We have to tell the wicked man them to come. Yeah, man.
And here think about that song there now era. Based on the crime situation currently in the country, that song remains relevant up to today and will continue to remain relevant. Despite the fact say back then the song voice and release. You understand? Yeah man. One of the classics in the business as a matter of fact.
Yes man.
Yeah, that's as a matter of fact, you know funny enough. The first time I hear that song there, I think of Beanie Man voice the song. I'll be honest with you.
And you first said that man.
Big man thing.
Yeah,
you understand? Cause it have a Beanie Man flow back then, 90s vibes. You understand what I'm saying?
I don't remember which artist go to Africa and tour and come back and say, hero, a church them singing God alone down there, you know. The African people must sing it in a church.
Yeah,
man, from them time there. So, you know.
So that was a song now that introduced Hero to the world.
To the world, definitely.
Then, so doors started opening up.
Yes, man.
What did that song did for you though, as an entertainer in the business back then?
Well, you know, because I've sing the song and exactly what going on around Jamaica or across the world, you know.
Yeah.
People about killing and things. You know, you just build me, and when you see you can sing something like so conscious and positive,
yeah,
and it make a great hit like that, you know, you have to give thanks to the Most High God, man. And remember, as I say, I'm from a Christian woman, so
yeah.
First thing my parents teach me about is the Almighty, you know.
God,
yeah,
God alone. Yeah. So your upbringing also helped to influence that song as well.
Yes, man.
So doors started opening. I'm assuming Era started flying, started touring.
Yes, man.
Remember some of the places that you went early out in the career?
Yeah, man. First, I believe first place I go is Florida, is Miami.
Miami.
Yeah. And then I go Trinidad.
Yeah.
I go Barbados, I go Bahamas, I go Antigua, Cayman. Name them, man. I go almost.
You have been there.
Yeah.
So after God Alone now, people know who Era was. I'm assuming that probably producers now were more willing.
Yeah, man.
You understand the voice Era. So a lot of things became easier.
Yes, man. I was saying that I was young.
Yeah.
That time when I get the break. So it's like seeing the star life and everything. We kind of start to get relaxed. Too,
yeah.
You know? Yeah, we kind of relax. And then after that, I meet an accident.
Yeah.
Where they think that I could not going to use my sing again.
Really?
Because my tongue did get damaged.
Whoa. Where was the accident?
Right in St. Ann.
St. Ann?
Near to Fern Gully.
Near Fern Gully?
Yeah.
So Breadnut Hillside going up?
Yeah.
Okay. But you would have recovered from that.
Yeah, man.
And Era would have released hits upon hits since then.
Because you know, God
alone.
All right, man. And God blessing, but not higher than God.
Yeah. So after that now, which was the next song that the people took on to?
Well, then I come with a song called No More War.
No More War. Yeah.
Yeah.
And what motivated that?
Well, No More War is a song that I recorded in England. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a guy, a virgin named Basie.
Yeah.
Come with a rhythm and I say Hero. And I remember, I never forget my friend Anthony. He's an English friend.
Yeah.
And he was like, Hero, I love that song. Go and I will take you to the studio. And he take me a couple of miles in London there and we go to the studio. Link up with Basie and we sing the song. Yeah, man. And come back to Jamaica, it takes like a couple months.
Yeah.
Before the song starts.
Before people start to take on
yeah,
to
man,
it.
and then we start to hear Irish film start to play it.
Irish again.
Wiki.
Naturally.
Yeah, man.
And that song too is still relevant.
Yes, man.
Today. Because Era come like when you drop the song them, you know. You see the future of the thing. And even though you do the song in at this time, you do the song to remain relevant for years to come, you know.
Definitely. Well, I want to tell you, when me are singing it's just like that's what my father even said, what I should say before. Because my father look at me and say, yo, you're here for a purpose. Yeah, man, because I passed through I don't even know how to explain this, but there is a situation when I was little.
Yeah.
No baby go through that and stay alive. Yeah, and I go through that. So my daddy look at me at all times and he always say, yo, you do there, run up and down and do your thing and whatever.
Yeah.
Remember, say you're there for your purpose. You know? So, yeah, man. So that song now come back and from saying, when we go in the studio, I start to sing from when, you know?
Who your voice at?
I don't write.
In England, no?
Yeah, and I don't write music.
Yeah. You just go on the board and vibe, based on the rhythm.
Definitely.
Mad.
Come natural.
Yeah.
So some know say me and the most I communicate.
Yeah, before we talk some more about the song though, you mentioned just now that as a child you had an experience, a potentially life altering experience.
Yeah.
That's something that you wish to talk about on camera?
Well, I can say a little about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, the thing is like, they take me to the hospital and there was like, the nurse tell my mom that I'm not going to make it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, say I'm not going to make it. And when my daddy and my mom come back home, they tell me that they put me on a bed and he was like looking where he gonna bury me. Because all my hair fall off and my head bald, like something like cancer.
Yeah.
And my mom like she go back in her room now and she lied down and she was like tears. She said we are losing and but we don't want to go then. And she said when they put me to bed and she was there with me like for like 1 hour sitting over and watching me, lying down. And then she gets up now and go in her room, cover me up and go in her room. Cause I was like sleeping. I'm out, you know. So she said she sleep with me a little while, like a whole hour, because they were so tired because they've been to the hospital watching me fighting to try to make me stay alive, you know. Then when she looked around, it was me that walk up right to her, that I could hardly walk, and I walked right to the bed and stand up. And so from that, the hell come back. So,
God alone.
yeah, man.
God alone.
So, you know, look into them things and say, yeah, man.
No more war.
No more war.
That was the next tune we take on the road.
Big time.
So Hero profile started getting larger and larger.
Yes, man.
More people were now able to recognize the Hero.
Right.
You understand?
No more.
And that song was our next massive hit.
Big time. You hear me say that one?
Yes, man.
Well, it's one to the world, you know. You say, no more war. Aye. And things say, for the youth them done the war. Them a push it further, further. So you don't know who they are and then you never know. And but tonight, no fuss no fight. Let's get together and all unite. Me I tell them, sir, a genuine love we are deal with forever. And then in love you are my brother, yeah, forever and ever. And then in love you are my sister, yeah, forever and ever. And then we tell them, sir, so when we still love me in that round we heart, not alone, here and a stop chant. No future death we hungry and want. Reach up on the hill and stop jump and plant. The greatest thing we have love in your heart. Because you're the Almighty God now go part. People do you things that make you have wicked thoughts. Come and wickedness with just can't. Oh no. What do you tell them to do? Ma push it further, further.
I want to tell you, say, you see that song there? Even more relevant today than God alone. You understand? Because here we go on. I be a madness go on in the country here.
That's true, man.
You understand? The youth them cruel. The youth them no art and I think, brother.
Wicked, man. It's
wicked.
The Bible says, you know.
Yeah.
Not them days that. Yeah, man. For real, it says, you know. Yeah, man. Child shall have his babies and man, we're gonna be so cruel they wouldn't believe it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what's going on. Guys, you see, man kill off the woman, them, man.
Brother.
And the woman them is the mother of the earth.
Sure.
How can you do that? Right,
So the next thing I know, bro, is that another monster hit. Another classic, really.
Definitely.
There are enough man in the business in the era. And them voice some songs, but there are enough man of classics.
True, man.
You understand what I say?
True,
and
man.
you would have been blessed with not one, not two. With that.
True, man.
You understand what I say?
Yeah, man.
So that must be a fulfilling feeling as an entertainer for no one to look here. We're in an environment with so many talented individuals, and we have some songs that will be played for decades upon decades upon
True,
decades.
man.
But I just say I just got alone. No.
Definitely, man.
So Hero continued touring, performing on big stages around the world.
Yes, man.
In your opinion, where is the biggest stage that you have ever performed on?
Well, I would say, you know, I do Sting and I do
Yeah.
some fits and those stages are some proper stage.
Rebel Salute
Rebel Salute
yeah.
and just name it. Reggae Sound Splash.
Yes.
That was back then.
Back in the days, yeah?
Yeah. Yeah, I remember I do a show in Trinidad.
In Trinidad.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And you know, I do a show in Antigua over there, so I would say them to show them maybe. I couldn't say which one is the biggest, but
yes.
the one in Trinidad, I remember that day when I go up and the show in Trinidad. My Mercy's an action fire.
Yeah, Mercy again.
Yeah, man, concert. And when, as far as I can see, I see people go way back, way out, and run on. And when we start to sing, man, it was a glory, man. It was a, yo, I tell you.
Yeah, Merciless good then, man.
Yeah, man, me and Merciless good so far, man.
You know how long me I try to find him, sir?
Yeah?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, Leonard, good man.
Yeah, man, that's good, man. I want to legend that I think,
Yeah,
brother.
man, yeah, man.
Yeah, sir. So Trinidad was the biggest stage, or probably the most memorable performance per se, right?
Because I do one in Antigua just the other day. Me, the man, Ayactian,
Yeah.
Jacure, Tony Mataran,
Big show.
Richie Loops.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
And that was a good vibe as well.
It was one of the biggest shows in Antigua, man, I experienced. Yeah, man, it was great.
Yeah. So no more war come.
And I do, I do one in London, you know.
Yeah.
I couldn't even get in the venue, you know.
You serious?
Yeah, man.
So now you perform, sir?
Yeah. I couldn't even get in the venue. It's some of the people that come with me.
Yeah.
And my team have to stay outside. I couldn't come in the show.
Eh.
No space, no leave.
Recent show are
It's about
a few years ago.
Yeah, man, about 10 years now.
About 10 years ago.
11 years now.
Yeah. Good experience that
Yeah,
as well.
man. Yeah, man.
So after No More War, you kept on putting in the work,
Yeah.
kept on recording, kept
Yeah,
on
man.
touring.
Yeah.
What was the next follow-up hit after that one?
Inna the ghetto. No
In
problem,
the ghetto. No good. Yo, you see, I used to we had to do the interview that era, and every song you say that, in a reality, is more relevant today than the one you mentioned before. Though. Yeah, that's what I say because
Yeah,
the reality is that we just talk about the crime situation and the gun
Yeah, man.
and the tool that is being used to perpetuate the crimes. You know? Yeah, that's what I say.
Yeah,
So
man.
what would have motivated that song then though?
You know, because that's one more time, because as simple as you see, I live right now. Now I'm living in Bakuside.
Yeah.
But I still go back to Farmtown sometimes.
Yeah, man. Back to the road.
Yeah, and I remember I was in Farmtown, you know, and sitting down on an ackee tree, you know, and same time I hear the news and what people are get killed and whatever. And I say, why? Oh, so much guns in Jamaica, you know, and there's no gun factory down here,
Yeah.
you know. And right away the meditation, they come in and made and I come to studio and they say, oh, you know, so me have sing a song.
Who your voice a song there
You know,
for?
my voice sang there for Blue Moon.
Blue Moon,
Yeah.
okay.
I believe it was owned by Sunshine. And so, and we do no gun no make down there.
Yeah. Another
Shut
monster
up.
that I get there, brother.
Yeah, man.
Classic, you know.
Wicked.
Really fun up to today, though.
Yes, man.
Yeah, son. But you know, we don't need to ask you again.
Yeah, man. I'm going to say, yeah. No gun no make down there. Down in the ghetto. A Babylon send them down there. And no gunshot a echo. How when Babylon come there, and a fling bomb down there, the youths them run away, and gone the wrong way. Babylon, them not just with them 100 shooter, could have muta baruka, and I think about the future, influence them under, they pan them corner, smoke marijuana, gunshot sing like Yama, nothing them not afraid, they don't have no behavior. Babylon send soldier, we do the bow, no gonna make down there, down in the ghetto. Yeah, you know.
We need to play that song in a parliament every day, brother.
True, man.
Because right now, we need to deal with that gun situation there.
That's true, man.
So, you see, and you have voiced many songs.
Yes,
You
man.
understand? But those are the songs when people say hero. You know say hero sing the song there because
Yeah,
people can identify. I'm say I saw classics are born. You understand what I
Yes,
say?
man.
Let me ask you a question before we go any further. You sing, you DJ. So in Jamaica we say Singjay.
Definitely.
Which you prefer though?
Out of DJ and Singjay?
Yes. Out of DJ or to sing
That's why I put the two of them together.
together. You like the two of them?
Yeah, there's some part of music where you can go aggressive, you know.
Yes.
You know, draw more attention and make the people more listen. So you go aggressive. That's
Yeah.
what I be like a DJ part.
Yeah.
And then you have some part where you're just cool.
Yeah.
You know,
And
music is melody and sound.
Speaking about melody and sound, I just want to say, listening to you sing right here, so it's like only thing missing is the rhythm. You understand? So you sound
man.
same way, and enough artists can pull off that, you know.
True, man.
You understand? Because a man will sound a particular way in the studio, and when you're listening for real, you say, I know this man I'm there listen.
That's true,
You
man.
understand? So if you sound the same way on the record as you sound now,
No,
I think is a sign that the talent natural.
True.
Hero, the catalog lad, so.
Might go on, go
Hits
on.
pan
man.
hits pan
Yeah,
hits.
man, no fun, well,
Seeing
man.
many times an artist's most commercially successful song, you understand, is not always the artist's favorite song. Is that your situation?
Well, it's not really my situation, but it happens that All of my songs them,
Yeah.
I would say, I love all of them.
Yeah, but hero, there's
Let
going to
me
be that
feel it.
one song there where you sing more than every
But,
other
here
song.
with me now.
Yeah,
You see, a song will be my favorite in a couple of years.
a couple of
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I still love it because my one and
Yeah.
I can still sing it and feel back the feelings.
mhm.
But as it goes on, we improve more and more, you know.
As the year
we
goes by.
Yeah. We improve more and more with melody
With-
and sound and
yes.
with control my voice and
True, true, true.
everything. So more than you put out some material, you have to sit back and listen and say, yo, I love that song and I'm
Yeah.
singing. Yeah, but it
But
goes
me-
on, man.
But me I say, you know, I know one song hero where I'm my favorite song. Alright, what your favorite song now then, sir?
It's a song we sing, God is amazing.
God is amazing. Yeah. Why though?
That's God is amazing.
Me know you there, tell me that.
That's
So,
the real
what
truth,
motivated
man,
you to
amazing.
write that song though?
Well, you know, we just get up and when we think about the world and people in the world and, you know, the confusion and happiness.
Yeah,
When you
everything.
think about the happiness, the confusion, the whole situation of life,
Yeah.
you know, we just say, we have to give thanks still because some people only give thanks when them lose what important to them. you know.
True,
Yeah,
true,
man.
true.
It's like a man a go on and he must say, oh, boy, I'm more rich now and more rare and he just aim that and that. He remember the most I got until when him get a lick in his head.
True.
And when him reach down at the hospital, him go down there and say,
True.
poor man with one foot and one hand. He must say, yo,
Man.
then I saw.
For me, thing not so bad. Come
Yeah,
like a man with a banana skin, eh? With a
Yeah,
banana.
man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, you have to give thanks, man. From there's life, man, you have to give thanks because I tell you, enough of life. You know what I'm
True.
saying?
But we're not hiding no song around here in the era, so give people them peace I true the one.
I got alone, not trod alone. Give thanks, my brother. God alone, not trod alone. Give thanks. Hey, you got to give thanks for a beautiful rainbow and for a sunny day. Give thanks when you feel the wind blow. And a dusty day. Give thanks in the early morning and in the afternoon. Oh, give thanks, oh Lord. Give thanks. Hey, you got to give thanks even when it's snowing and the winter won't go away. Give thanks for the beautiful summer. Send the kids to the park to play. Give thanks for life and its blessing and for its God-given day. Oh, give thanks, oh Lord. Give thanks, cause my God is amazing. Give praises to the Most High God. Because no one is greater than God, the creator of all. God is amazing. Praises to the Most High God. Because no one is mighty as God the Almighty who rules us all. God is amazing. Hey. All right, let me next verse. We'll go on the show.
Yeah, well, that's your word,
We'll go on
man.
the show in the next verse.
You know what me I pick up hero. Some artists who go in at the studio go voice because he want to make some money. But when me hear you sing, there's a soulfulness to all of the song them when you sing. It's like them have true meaning for you other than I'm a job this.
True, man. Yeah, because if you never love this, no, that all right. Use that word, I wouldn't be conscious then.
Yes.
Like, oh, I am right now. You understand? I would just, because I love them when the things stay so. Because sometimes people don't want to hear nothing about consciousness now.
True.
A lot of people afraid of the truth.
That's true too. That's
Yeah,
true.
man. We have to stand up now and realize, face reality and know that the truth is the truth. So, you know, say you have cancer and you know why doctor tell you. you rather not go doctor.
Yeah.
You know you have AIDS, you don't even want to go doctor. Because
Yeah.
you say, yo, you know, yes, me have it, you know. Yeah, so that's so, more time. So when you see you as an artist and you have sing some positive music out there and all the ground, you have to be strong, you know? Because the world that we live in right now, and the normal world, and you see sometimes criticism and people out there. More time I go out some show and when you see how some artists perform, and the type of message what them are saying is totally different from my own.
Yeah.
And the people out there look at me and say, oh, you know, say, me I go sing some other little happy song them now then. I say, no, what me I really do? Not that, because the whole thing about music in general. Music is melody and sound. So, don't feel like the people them want to hear that or them want to hear this.
Yeah.
You say if he's a real artist, you give the people them what you have.
True.
And
Yeah.
if you not give them what you have and you're going to try to sing like a next person, that means that you're pretend.
Yeah.
It's not a real person.
Be yourself.
Yeah.
Stay true to who you are.
Yeah, and give the people them what you have. So them will know, say, yo, all right, you know, say other artists, you know, because you're not going to know what the people them love. Because it's like you have some chicken in a pen or in a coop. And you feed them pan coconut when you could have give them corn.
Yeah.
You understand?
True.
And what them get,
Them have a take.
eat.
True, brother.
See me I say?
They can't eat what they don't
Yeah.
get, brother.
But you know, the system set away so wicked. So you know, say, boy, righteousness not going to be the most successful thing around here right now.
True.
Yeah,
true,
but
true.
yeah, man, we not stop. Because more time I go and book up on real fans, and them encourage me. Them say, era not change. Nothing.
Era remain.
Yeah, man. Positive and conscious.
You understand? Stay focused, stay grounded,
Yeah, man.
stay conscious.
Yeah.
We have spoken about some of the monster hits, right? But he would have had songs where it outside of Jamaica, he would have had songs where might not be as big as those songs, but those songs were hits in their own right as well. Remind me of some of them songs that were mentioned yet.
All right, let me tell you something what Jamaica don't know.
Yeah?
And as I say, it's outside of the world. But it's outside
Outside
of
of Jamaica.
Jamaica. Sorry. Yeah. One time, I like about 8 or 9 years ago, there was an ex-management. I was with an ex-management team.
Yeah.
And they booked me for a show in Barbados. But when they called me like 1 week before.
Sure.
Yeah. So when they called me like that, I was like to my manager, yo, that show not going to work out, you know. Because you can't just call me today, I expect to go Barbados next week.
Yeah.
You know? It's no promotion now with the panic, it not work.
True.
But the man I pay my manager good money.
Yeah.
So him decide, say, yo, we are going here, man, and it's an experience with him. If we go, this is what I go on. I will go to the show. When we got the show the night, because we did have a show like a day before, the next day after the show, I fly the next day. So I have like the show, I have a show in Jamaica tonight. The show I have in a Barbados is the next night.
Cool.
So after I done the show early in the morning, we get ready and set up and line up. And we never reach Barbados till in the evening, in the night.
And then you have a show in the night there.
So when we fly, come off of the plane, I have to go right to the radio station. The people know I'm really in Barbados.
Cool.
And when we go and go up on the radio station, them time I have no gun down there, no more war, God alone,
yeah.
as the big song them.
Yeah.
But that wasn't the song that
Them 1 year.
the big song in Barbados. The big song was a song called Techie. That when we just the roof and I sing some girls and I try to bus.
Yeah.
You know when we go and the man interview me and the man say, here is the phone line start to bling and
Yeah.
the man say, here you see what's going on, they can't believe you in the whole London. And he started talking and he say, all right, when I almost done the interview, hear him now. Oh, this is the song now, I'm put on the song. When he put on the song, I don't remember one word of the song. How long I sing that song?
That's a song, brother.
So what happened now? When me inside and the man say, all right, I'm going to take down the key and you just sing a little part of it. I say, what am I doing to me? When he take down the key and me do that little part there. No, I just do that little part there and thing. So he man say, go down more, man. I say, no, man, pull it up, man. When them come at the show, man. You see when him finish, I have to take the CD from him and say, yo.
You can't give them okay, I got it.
Never say, give me the CD.
Yeah.
The man say, what you going to do? I say, I want the CD.
You
I
want
don't remember the song at all. Yeah. And when we leave the radio station, me and my manager have to run our store.
No, get a CD player.
Buy a CD player again at the hotel room.
Yeah.
Meanwhile, me play the song and remind me. When the man said, "Hero, this is the biggest thing down here." And up to today, you know.
Techie.
Yeah, man.
I don't know that song they still there.
I don't remember it now. I can't see a part while I'm part-time. But let me tell you something first.
Yeah, tell me.
When we go to the show, when we're ready, meanwhile, I get ready in the bathroom.
Yeah.
Get ready in the hotel room and everything, and the way back to the show, the CD have in the car, take out of the car, in the backstage, that's the only song.
No.
Me don't know yet, and that's the biggest song down there.
Yeah.
So when I go on and I start to sing, I learn back up to the 2 verse.
Yeah, I know of that, man.
But the 3rd verse now.
Yeah, no, I can.
But the way the song sweet these people. When I start singing, now I'm going 2 verses.
Pull up.
We want to hear the next verse. Yeah, man, I held down the man and I tell him general, sir, oh, this show, when we done, when we done sing, the song, I have to go back in the last part again. People come on and say, want to hear it one more time.
Yeah.
Take it. Yeah, man, I have to do it, man. So from that, I acknowledge, say, you know, say, sometimes you can do a song and you don't even know.
You don't know a reach or a song there.
Big place, it's hit
True,
big time.
true.
Yeah, man. Two of my songs do that, because in Florida, I have a song named Praise God.
Praise God.
Big
Me
time.
know Praise God still, but I don't know Techie.
Yeah,
So
man.
right now, I don't take piece of Techie, sir.
No, I only can't remember.
Give me what you remember, man.
Let me say, it's a girl song and kind of
Yeah.
root, you know.
Yeah, man, just clean it up, man.
Let me say, take it from you, I get it, don't want it. I can't know the use of our man until the next man, until the next girl take him away. From you know, hope you take care of your man. You don't remember that?
Yeah, man, we understand.
Yeah, man.
Praise God. So that was another song that would have done well outside of Jamaica.
Yeah.
So the message
Praise God. Praise God was one of the songs on the Billboard, when we go Billboard number one.
Yes.
Praise God was one of
Which
the
year
big
was that again, though? That was about 2000 and when?
About 2000.
Between 7 and 10?
Yes.
Yeah, about 6.
6, 7. About 2007, yeah. Them time.
Yeah, and the lesson in that though, era is that good music will always find the ears of the masses.
Yeah, man.
It might not hit a Jamaica, but somewhere around the world people are taking on to the song.
Because even when my album go Billboard number one,
Yeah.
I have some fans and friends in Florida, them look at me and tell me, say, hero,
Mm-hmm.
it's not Jamaica people make this album go number one. It's across the world because Jamaica people...
We're not buying
don't
music here.
Right now the album don't even bust in Jamaica the right way.
We're not buying music, in reality.
And
It's
a lot of songs on that album still, a lot of Jamaicans don't know it.
Remind me what the name of the album, though, no?
Yeah.
Remind me what the name of the album.
Revelation.
Who you recorded the album? Which label was it on?
Inspire.
Inspire.
Called Revelation.
And that album did well financially.
Great, man. One of the best albums. Because up to today, when I sing some of the songs in Jamaica, you want to hear how the people them respond to it.
Yeah.
A lot of love them, love the music so much. So the album still didn't get to play out the right way. I want to give you a joke. When I go number one on the Billboard in Jamaica here, you know, even when I was saying it to Kishima and IRFM, she was like, you sure, hero? And she take me to a room and she was like, when you're number one and the reggae Billboard chart, that means you're the number one for the world.
Yeah, man, I'm number one artist in the world, man, at the time, man.
You're above every artist.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, yeah, man, we get the information that we are number one.
Mm-hmm.
And when she go in and check the computer, she was like, whoa. Right away she do a news on Irie and say, yo, here is the number one.
What was the
artist.
most successful song on that album?
Well, I would say same in the ghetto. You know?
Same in the ghetto.
Yeah. The prayer time was a big song and the same. Praise God.
Praise God.
Enough. The number one right across Caribbean Island.
Yeah.
Yeah, number one. And
I probably tired for sing still, but one piece of Praise God.
Yeah, man. That's it. Yeah. I and sing say, the Father give me strength when I'm down and old. He bless me with the words from my mouth. Many forsake, but I can't live without. This world is sinking, it still keep me afloat. I have faith in God, I never yet have no doubt. Temptation come, but I stayed on the right road. The pagan try to push things down my throat, but they cannot rock my boat. Some people only praise God for Sunday. We praise Him from Monday to Monday. When we are praise God, we not take no rest day. Oh no, yeah, what me say? Some people only praise God for Sunday. We praise Him from Monday to Monday.
When we are praise God, we not take the rest day. We don't have a singing thing still.
And then I do the one prayer time.
Prayer time, yeah.
I don't know what to do.
A classic that to the brother.
Oh Lord. And I don't know what to say. Oh Lord, yeah. Say I don't know where to go. Please show me the way. Yeah, man. Show the way.
So she want more. Oh Lord.
Yeah, man.
Please hear my cry. Come here, let's be a pusher.
Alright, me sing the next one.
Yeah?
What I see Jamaica people take on to.
Yeah.
Great right now. It's an gospel song. That's it. Mm-hmm. Oh. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm only human. Mhm. I'm just a man. So help me believe in what I could be and all that I am. Show me the stairway that I have to climb. But Lord, for my sake, teach me to take one day at a time. Don't know, one day at a time.
One day
God
at a
alone,
time.
it's all
And
alone.
you see, like every song where you sing hero, there's a constant theme, and that is God. All I sang them, you know.
That's
I don't know if you
God-
realize that, you know.
God alone.
God alone.
God alone.
All right,
Yeah, man.
hero. So we could talk about a few other things, you know.
Yeah.
Looking at the career, because we now say look back for the career, because you're still at the music, you're still at work. You understand? Is there anything that you would have done or experienced in your career that if you had the chance to do over, you then do it differently? So in essence, are there any regrets?
You know, right now, I don't think about regrets because everything is for a purpose. Everything is for a purpose. You know? Yeah, sometimes you do things and it don't fall the way you think.
True.
But God knows it all, man. He know why it make it work for you, you know?
True.
So I don't really regret nothing.
Yeah.
What I come through. Because enough time you see people and you have people try to build you up and you have people try to break you down. That's
Yeah.
smart way sometimes. Because they will say, oh, you know, say you should have bigger than who you is.
Yeah.
And you should have, you know, see that man that just bust and him buy one house and one car and you don't have that much and you just, you know. But God know the reason why. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because he know it all, so no really regrets, but you don't know.
So no regrets.
No, so far, you know. We give thanks to the Most High God over there right now. And
That
better is
deep.
there, straight.
Yeah. Another question though, you are from St. Anne, and many people believe that the music live at town. You understand? But you would have remained in St. Anne / St. Mary, thereabout, right?
Yeah, man.
And you never feel a need at any point in time to move to Kingston, knowing say, in real fact, that's the nerve center of the music there.
Well, a lot of people say that, you know, even in the business.
Yeah.
And from an artist friend, them I say, yo, DJ, you have to in a town for the thing work.
Yeah.
You know? And when you look into it too, you get a lot of fight too because not in Kingston, because that's where the business at. Sometimes it kind of slow up my thing because people might come looking for hero and I'm not in Kingston, so they book an next artist. You get what I say? But the thing is just, you have to just make a thing established.
Yeah.
And make your fans and your people them know like how the network is up and
social media
and everything, you know, it's a different thing now.
So
You know what I'm saying?
let me
But
ask.
music,
Yeah, go ahead.
music from you is a great artist. And you know your thing and you do your thing and you know you do your thing with God and everything. But I tell you, that's not impossible, man. Because check this now. I hear say you come check me, you know.
True.
Remember, I could have come at town from
True.
So I know the day I come when
True.
I write down here.
I don't guess everybody will come.
Definitely.
God alone, man.
God alone and child alone.
So let me ask you a question though. Do you think that you might have progressed further in the music and you would have probably elevated to a different level if you had actually moved to Kingston?
I don't, you know, I wouldn't say yes, you know.
Okay.
And I wouldn't say no because you see the love what I have for music and for my artist friend them.
Yes.
More time when all of us are one place, it no work, you know. No, I tell you the truth. Reality.
There's a word in it, brother.
Let me tell you this. A lot of time I go Kingston. No, I tell you. A lot of time I go Kingston and when I see all the artists them, I live up there.
Yeah.
You know?
You're not into that?
No. And when we go there, I always get a warm welcome from them. Even when that man and the man in the
Them
day,
say obsessed with the Heart Grow founder,
show me
right?
love. You see me, I say,
So when
yeah.
you go in there and people say for a long time, the reception is warm, man. That
Right,
makes sense,
and when-
brother. That makes
when
sense.
we touch Kingston with my team,
Yeah.
yeah, man, it's nice, man. The people might say, oh, where you at?
Yeah.
You know what they are Jamaica?
Yeah, but do
Same place in
whatever.
our country, I'm with them.
Same place in our country. So you decided to stay home, to remain, or stick with the roots, right? Unlike some persons who run to Kingston. And you have managed to survive in the business.
Right.
Managed to survive in the business.
Survive so good, and right now I reach a level which part it's like the best part of my career right
Best
now.
part of your career right
Yeah,
now.
man.
That
So
is a big statement, that's in a year.
yes, man, and listen to this now. The love what I have for Kingston, you know. I think we might have a business there in Kingston too, because sometimes you know, for the Kingston, for the thing work, you know, but you build
True.
up there.
True.
So it's just 1, 2.
Yeah.
The whole
Yeah, man.
network,
For real,
one
for
thing,
real.
you know.
Mm-hmm.
So, you don't really have to run go Kingston to the
True.
thing work, but you have to have link in a Kingston.
Yes, that's
to it work
important.
the right way.
So, despite the fact that Hero remain in St. Mary, St. Anne, Hero still a feed him family.
Yes, man.
Food still a go on the table.
Yeah, man. Yeah, and you know, and we give thanks
Yeah.
so far because we can't cry and say, boy,
Makes
it could have
sense.
better or whatsoever. Because it could have worse too.
Could have
so we have to just give thanks
really,
for it and
really,
work
really,
with it. And, you know,
really.
say, I got, you know, so you know what's best for you.
Yeah. Speaking
man.
about family, kids, how many?
Well, I would say, how many
Much
kids
children, yeah.
I would say a handful.
A handful of 5, brother.
No, man, 2 handful, man.
What?
2 handful. And more to, let me tell you something.
Yeah,
about
tell
me
me
now.
something.
You see me?
Yeah.
I even take
Yeah,
care of,
really, really,
I
sir.
even take care of kids, but it's not mine.
All right, sir.
I'm a
Makes
father
sense.
for all kids almost.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah. I'm about the one them with biological. Where them surname are Gayle.
Let me say like what you always say. No. Yeah. Oh. Because them can't say them surname are Gayle and them are not Gayle.
That's true. But the one them where you accept say you're you them here. You go around the thing
Yeah,
from
them
brother.
accept everybody as me, man. Yes, sir. Right now, my friend Foodie's son and my son.
And your son.
Your son and my son.
son. Alright.
Yeah, man.
Alright, sir.
But you don't know. My responsibility,
Yeah.
I play that part there for me.
Yeah, man.
Definitely.
So no matter the numbers, you be a father to the youth.
Yeah, and
That's
good when you have
important.
good when you have a lot of kids, you know, because you don't know which one going to be the one that going to take care of you, you know. And when you have a kid and one of them successful, you're rich.
Yeah, alright.
Every king have a lot of kids.
Yeah, alright.
Every real king.
Yeah.
Because some man making and not picking, you know.
True.
Them are not king.
Them are king.
Them are swing.
A king can.
Yeah, man. Because the Bible says, you know, you're not supposed to use
Be fruitful and multiply,
right.
man.
So, you know.
But the important thing is here, because some of the man them in reality have a lot of youth and now play the father role there. So we appreciate the fact that the man can look at the camera and say, yes, me have a handful of youths and I play my role.
Yes, man.
Yes, sir. Married?
Not a handful, man. 2 handful, man.
2 handful.
Yeah.
Married?
No, not married yet, but almost.
Almost. Yeah. So we're steady.
When we say, eh?
We're steady.
You know, the ring is just a, I don't even know how to explain, but ring is just one thing. You know, really,
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know, it's a lot of relationship go on more time, and as them married, so you
It mash up, true,
Yeah.
true. But you have some marriage last year in a year.
Yes,
I don't want you to forget that now.
No, yeah, for real, of course. Of course, marriage last.
Yeah. But we understand
And
when I say 100%
the man who
still.
married and the ones them who married.
I make
And
it think
the
I
one
work.
who do married
Yeah.
also, you know. But sometimes you have to have one little ring on your finger sometimes to ease off the, you know.
Out the road there.
Well, the woman them take you fast, man.
All right, father here. So here we go on though. I don't recall, cause I know you say you're merciless. Do some work together before.
And since lately I just do
Yeah,
some.
with merciless again?
Yes, man, we are one of the most successful songs coming up right now.
It released already?
Yeah, I play upon like almost the whole of the station them.
Yeah, so
right now.
me
It's called Prayer Time. The production called Prayer Time.
Prayer
It
time.
was done by me and Miguel, that was the road manager and producer.
Okay.
He's the one that I'm with right now.
Yeah.
Doing the work and everything.
Yeah, alright. Cool.
Oh,
So we need to look out for that song there. Prayer time.
Time and Prayer.
Time
rhythm.
and prayer.
Yeah, we have Sanchez on it, we have Luciana, we have Terry Linen, we have PZ, which is my brother.
Yes.
Yeah, man, because PZ play a great role in my career too.
Nice.
Yeah, man,
nice.
and we're not even going to know it. You know, say, in general, that's also. Yeah, man, and you know, Foodie, in general, play a great part too.
Nice.
And the great Miguel Simpson, and Teacher.
So we have conscious, strong people around me.
Yeah, man, and we have a proper team right now, so
That's important.
we're just ready for the world right now.
Just ready for the world.
We're just ready.
At what
Them
age,
say
sir?
number one. Right now, old age.
All age.
Take me take on them. Yeah, man, I take them on at the old age, man.
Yeah.
Properly.
So it look like you don't want to tell the people about the age of the year.
Eh?
Yeah, grow the age question.
My friend look for me, they can
They know. Hero.
No, me have a song, I'm going to Thomas land.
Yeah, man.
Same lift me up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Run it,
You know what I'm saying now?
Yes, man.
Alright, this is the production. This is the song and the production that we put out, the latest. It's called Lift Me Up. I say, He lift me up, oh Lord. God lift me up. When I am down, no one around, God lift me up. And so me tell them, say, God lifted me. God lifted me. When I was down and sad, God lifted me. God lift me higher than I. Lift me higher than the aeroplane when you fly. Higher than the biggest lift will give you ready eye. Higher than the wild lady will make you float in the sky. Man, I got alone general and style me as guy. Positive me preach me no sell some fight. Only talk truth, a man no response to lie. So anytime we down upon the most high, we cry and then we tell them, say, God lifted me. Look out.
God again.
Bigger than fish fry and cook out.
Mad thing. Is there any entertainer in the industry where you work with it, where you say, you know, me don't like to do a collab with the artist there?
Yeah, man, you have artists in the business, man, where we respect and love how them sing and we like to do songs with them. You know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Namely?
Yeah, man, you have like Capleton.
Yeah, Fireman.
Yeah,
But that shouldn't so hard, man. You know, sent me
No,
here
you know,
and
hard,
thing
man.
and thing,
I just tell me to say the word yet.
Okay, alright. Let's say
You
alright.
say?
Say the word,
Yeah,
you know,
man,
because that it already,
our,
brother.
the great killer, you know.
The Godfather.
Yeah, man. Killer, cause, you know,
Yes,
Killer is
sir.
a god man like me, you know.
Yeah,
You know
man.
that, cause me and Killer is like
Yeah.
real virgin.
Yeah, cool,
Yeah,
cool,
I'm
cool.
general, I'm general. I want general, you know.
One general,
Alright.
one
So
general
we
is
look again
that,
and
yeah,
say,
that's
very
true, that's true.
summon.
Yeah.
Yeah, Toots and the makers. Yeah, man, and you have the positive music.
Yeah.
Even Jack Euro with Jack Euro. Romeo and Virgo, still my artists that same way to one, you know?
Yeah,
Just
man.
name some conscious artists.
Makes sense, makes
Hero
sense.
work with them.
So make a link, man, and so what can happen, man. You never know, you know. The next classic might be there, you know.
As we tell you, the production that we put out right now,
Yeah.
we have Lucian and Sanchez. Me produce all them songs, you know.
And you are the producer for the songs.
Me and my
Okay, you said the label is God Alone.
Yeah.
Right?
TM and God Alone.
TM and God Alone.
I mean.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you do some producing as well.
Yes, man.
Nice.
Our studio will be open like about 3 months from now.
And
Proper
okay,
studio in
so
Watch
Watch Rios.
Yeah, man.
Nice, because I'm only for that on the other side and
Right,
you know.
so we have to build it, you know.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah,
That
man.
makes sense. So, Hero, one of the things I normally say to many of the artists them, because I normally try to find the artists them who them put in the work in the past and may not be as visible at this time as they were in the past. And in Jamaica, you know people stay. They might say, yo, Hero, we not hear nothing about Hero fall off. But you've been a producer, you're still a voice, you're still a tour, you're still a perform. What you have to say to them people then?
Well, just hook me up and good man. I know I would say God man, God make sure. God man dash little dash hero. God man dash little dash hero. That's my IG.
Yes.
Yeah, man. And you don't know little hero. Really little hero.
Facebook.
Yeah. Yeah, man.
So all of the people who want to find out what go on,
Just
make the link there, sir.
And for booking,
Yeah.
you don't know.
That's important.
You book, my booking number is 4575003. 876-457-5003. Yeah, man.
The music as it is to the era is not the same as it was in the 90s. Because to me, the 90s are the glory days of dancehall. If you were able to change anything about the music today, what would that be?
Well, I would like the youngsters them to can record and do original, the dancehall music, what them sing.
Yeah.
The rhythm them, the dancehall rhythm, and the reggae artists them go back on the real reggae. We play with guitar,
All of the instruments.
Not sweet like that, you know.
Yeah.
If you go back, not be the whole time the real thing. We don't call it the real thing then.
Yeah.
A lot of people say.
University that, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. You can't go around that. It no matter you're
more
pretty
strong
tough.
up,
Right?
right.
90s run dancehall.
Yeah, man. Right now, so. And the young artists, them just want them to sing more conscious music. Because music is melody and sound, you know. Through my experience, you know what I'm saying? Music is melody and sounds.
Yeah.
So that just coming like, you get up and you say, me put your coat to gun and shoot him in his mouth. You understand? You put your coat to Bible and read it now. You understand?
Yeah.
music is melody and sound.
Yeah.
So the words when you put in, if you can, just like how we
You
that
can't
sing
do
a song.
anything with them.
Right.
Mm.
Just like how we that sing a song now and some man come and say, yo, man, you change it up
Yeah.
and do it that
Give
way.
me a special.
Yeah.
Mm.
And you can take a God song and turn it into a gun song.
And vice versa.
Right.
So,
And you can take a love song.
so it's a
and turn it
a
into
melody and sound.
Melody
so
and
the words
sound.
are easy to change.
Easy to change.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, so you don't have to say, boy, yo, I'm going to shoot a man in the mouth and I'm going bigger than this. And
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, man, just say something more positive. Because music
Yeah.
alone shall live, that's what they're saying.
True.
So, just say something positive.
One more
Where
thing,
do you think
Hero.
that learn from?
You said that Mummy and Daddy played an integral role in you becoming an artist. Because music was around. But Mummy never so pleased because of the type of music. As Mummy learned to appreciate the fact that my son at this, and even though you do reggae dancehall, you not promote no violence and no man to go bang out no man head back. So
Yeah.
Mummy warm up to the thing.
Right now.
Yeah.
Like when you ask about that because she's more older now and
Yeah.
she used to with
Proud.
her God and everything.
Yeah.
But I'm telling you that she love me more now and love me music.
Yes.
So I appreciate to see me live to come see my mother love me music,
Yeah.
you know.
She
Yeah,
must
man,
feel
because I
proud.
conscious-
And
conscious
she,
music. I sing reggae, I sing dancehall, I sing gospel.
Yeah.
But everything is conscious and positive music.
and she responsible for the theme in all your songs them. God.
Yes,
Yeah,
man.
man. That's
Definitely.
important.
Yeah.
Big boss, really and truly appreciate the one holding a reason with the iron. You understand what I say? And this for me, I grew up in St. Mary, Senton, spend most of my time in. So it's a job to sit down with a man from Senton,
Right.
Zane, the man who live at St. Mary now. So both of we kind of do the things said way. We say, yo, them man are one of the big man of the business. I want to say that because we're there, so beside it. The work is there, the songs are there.
Thank
You
you.
understand? Keep
I'm
putting
happy
in
to
the work,
thank you for
brother. And the voice, big. The voice sound like when me are listening when you record it, brother.
True, man.
And I appreciate that. Big up yourself, brother.
Enjoy, man, and thanks, man.
You understand what I
You
say?
know, send an hour parish. You know.
Always. The garden parish, man.
God,
You know what I mean?
great
Big up
yourself.
yourself.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.